Hello, I'm Melanie Stuve, independent Norwex consultant, and I've had lots of requests on how exactly you use the Norwex Mop System to wash your windows. So I thought I would do a quick video to show you. Let's start. After winter, when the windows are really mucky and gucky, I do recommend that you use the hose to remove the bulk of the winter dirt and grime. So we're gonna do that first. Okay, easy as that. You'll notice that I'm also choosing to clean windows that are shaded right now. When you're cleaning windows in the sun, that just adds, it just dries too quickly and then you can't get a good clean. So now let's get the mop. I've already pre-wet the wet mop pad and it's on my mop. Now you may need to adjust it longer so that you can reach. You might choose to lock the base, or you might find it's easier without it. The locking mechanism on the back here just pushes up to lock, so your choice. Go in one direction. Unlocked it to do this second window. And then when we're done washing, we'll remove the wet mop pad and replace with the window cloth mop pad. This pad is dry right now. If your window is drying too quickly, you might need to take a spray bottle or the hose again just to dampen the window. If it's dry, this is going to be really challenging. And it's gonna just finish drying. You don't even need to dry it all the way, but it's gonna finish drying and you'll see that there are no streaks, no lint, and it was super quick and easy. And that's how you use the Norwex Mop System to clean your windows.